Welcome to this Fix-It channel, and of course I will try to answer a question I get all the time. So Windows 10 is now at 3 years, and a lot of people, and sometimes it's justifiable by what we see with Microsoft, um, think that maybe it wasn't ready. Maybe they wanted to wait before anything happens and upgrade to Windows 7. At this point, if I would have to answer the question of should I go to Windows 10, I would probably give an answer that is the answer I give and I gave to all my clients when I would fix PCs a lot. I think if you're thinking of buying a new PC in the next year, leave your computer alone at Windows 7. I think it's okay. I mean, why bother with upgrading? And if you're not thinking of buying a new PC, I do think upgrading from Windows 7 to Windows 10 is a good thing. I do think it is worth it to do it. But it really is, overall, mostly a personal decision. Also, you got to think about the software that you use. Will the software that you use be compatible with Windows 10, even though 95% of everything is compatible? 95% of the hardware is compatible. Yes, there's exceptions to the rule, and yes, there are things that might not be compatible. So you got to think about that. That's obvious, but it is something that does happen. And of course, if you are adventurous, you can move up to Windows 10. And for the question of can you upgrade for free, well, you know what? There's two loopholes that are working right now. There's the assistive technology that still works, even though Microsoft said they would stop. Apparently, it's still working. But your best bet is if you have a Windows 7 machine, it has a product key on your computer. If you don't have it, there's something called the Magical Jelly Bean Finder, key finder, something like that. That will give you the key of Windows 7 in your machine. If you use that, you will upgrade for free. That loophole has never been closed, and it's still working as of July of 2018. You can use that product key when you upgrade to Windows 10. You just got to be careful to use the correct version when you download the image from Windows 10 on the Windows 10 download page. If you have Windows 7 Starter, if you have Windows 7 Home, you will want to use the Windows 10 Home version. If you have Windows 7 Pro or Ultimate, you'll want to use the Windows 10 Pro version with the key, or else it won't activate and you'll be in a little problem. And once it's activated, you'll be okay after that because it's a digital license. That means your PC will be tied to that Windows 10 account for the life of the PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.